Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Zoho email signature step by step. If you've ever wanted to give your emails a more professional touch or simply add some personal style, this is exactly what you need. A signature not only saves time, but also makes your emails look polished and complete. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Mail login page. Enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're inside your inbox, the next step is to access the settings menu. To do this, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the little gear icon. This is the same place you usually find settings in most applications. When the settings menu opens, scroll through until you find the option labeled signature. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up Zoho's signature editor, and this is where you can start making changes. If you've already created a signature before, you'll see it displayed here. If not, don't worry, you'll have an empty text box waiting for you. Now it's time to get creative. Type in your name, job title, contact details, or anything else you want to appear automatically at the end of your emails. Zoho Mail also gives you a lot of flexibility. You can format the text, change fonts, add links, and even insert images like your company logo or social media icons. This way, your signature can be as simple or as detailed as you want. Take a moment to make sure everything looks professional and represents your personal or business style. Once you're satisfied, don't forget the most important step: saving your changes. At the bottom of the signature settings page, click on the Update button. This ensures your new signature is applied to all your outgoing emails from now on. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Zoho email signature. From now on, every time you send an email, your details will be added automatically, giving your messages a consistent and professional look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tech guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.